Hello students, standard 6th English medium, subject computer. So children, in last practical video we learned regarding how to move a file and folder and how to copy a file or folder, right? Now we will see next topic, page number 38, rename a file or folder. Right children? The next topic is rename a file or folder. Okay? So children, we have created main folder spots, and in that we have created two subfolders, indoor games and outdoor games, right? Now first of all, here this is taskbar. On the taskbar this is start button, so click on start button children. This is start menu, right? Now on the right pane of the start menu, click on documents. So here documents window will be opened. Now in this window, click on sports folder to see the sports window. So this is sports window children. Now you can see in this sports window two subfolders are there, indoor games and outdoor games, right? Now here we want to rename the outdoor games folder, right? So what we have to do, first of all, right click on outdoor games in this way. Okay, so do right click. Okay, now this drop down menu will be displayed. Now here you have to select rename command. Okay children, so you have to click on rename. When you click on rename, the name of the selected folder is highlighted in the box. You can see this is highlighted, right, in blue color. Okay children, now here we want to type a new name, field games. Okay, so here we have to type first field games. Okay, in this way we have to type the name field games, right? Now we have to press enter. Now you can see these folders are arranged in alphabetical order. First is field games, second is indoor games. Here field games, that we renamed. Okay, first it was outdoor games and now we just renamed and we give another name, field games, right? So in this way you can rename any file and folder. Okay children, if you want to again rename the folder as outdoor games, then here you have to go to edit command. Okay, then after here click on undo rename. When you click on undo rename, again here you can see outdoor games folder, right children? So in this way you can do undo rename, right? So you can rename any file and folder. Now next topic is delete a file or folder. Okay children, now we will see how to delete a particular file or folder. Okay, now here we will delete badminton file from indoor games subfolder. So children, this is indoor games. Okay, now here badminton file is there. Now we want to delete this badminton file. So what are the steps? First, click on start button. You will see start menu, then open documents library. Okay, these steps are common, right children? Now here in badminton, in sports window, click on indoor games subfolder. Now this is indoor games window and here badminton file is there. Okay, now you have to do right click on badminton file in this way, right? So when you do right click on badminton file, so this shortcut menu will be displayed. Okay, now from here these are the different commands, right children? Now here you have to press delete. Okay children, see delete command is there. When you click on delete, you will see this dialog box. Okay, are you sure you want to move this file to recycle bin? Right children, so this dialog box will be displayed. Okay, when you click on yes button, the file will be deleted from indoor games and sent to recycle bin, right children? And if you press no, then file will not be deleted. Okay, now if you press yes, then you can see the badminton file is disappears from here. Okay, and you can see this file in recycle bin. See, this is badminton in recycle bin folder. Okay children, so in this way you can delete any file or folder. Okay, recycle bin, that is Windows dustbin. Any file or folder that you delete is sent to recycle bin. Okay, please remember children. Okay, so when you delete any file or folder, it will be stored in recycle bin and it is not permanently deleted from computer. Okay, but when you delete any file or folder from recycle bin, then that file or folder permanently deleted from the computer and you cannot recover or restore it. ओके, रिसाइकल बिन में जो भी फाइल है अगर आप उसको डिलीट करोगे तो वो फाइल परमानेंटली डिलीट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, उसको आप रिकवर या रिस्टोर नहीं कर सकते. राइट चिल्ड्रन, सो इन दिस वे यू कैन delete any file or folder, right?